Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Rover map not loading. So to fix the Rover map not loading, you can start by updating the Rover app. Just check your Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is restart the app. You see when you open a Rover app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, just swipe it off from the bottom of your screen, then pause it in the middle, then swipe it up again to completely close it from a multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next what you can do is enable the location permission. Just go to your device settings, then go to your search bar, then search for location services. Now make sure that the location services is turned on and then find Rover from the list, tap on it and make sure that the Rover app is set to while using the app and the precise location is turned on. Now the next thing what you can do is toggle the airplane mode. Just turn on the airplane mode in your control center, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This quickly resets your cellular and Wi-Fi connections, which often clears map loading errors. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.